In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a duet in Suno, tips and tricks. Suno doesn't include a dedicated duet mode yet, so the key is guiding it with clear prompts and a strong structure. I'll walk you through the exact flow, from signing in to shaping your lyrics so the model understands who's singing when and how the chorus should blend both voices. Start by opening your browser and heading to suno.com. Click sign up if you're new or log in using Google, Discord, Microsoft, or email. Once you're in, you'll land on the create page, which is where all the magic happens. When you're ready to begin, click create to start a new song project. The most important part is the lyrics prompt. Right at the very beginning, explicitly say that this is a duet and define the two voices you want. Clarity here makes a big difference. Use simple bracketed section headers to label who sings each part and keep those labels consistent all the way through. A reliable format looks like this. Open with a header such as verse 1 male vocal, followed by the lines intended for that voice. Then introduce the second singer with verse 2 female vocal and write lines for that voice. For your hook, label the section chorus duet to cue both singers to perform together. Keep your lines clean and easy to sing. Short, rhythmic phrases work best, and clear punctuation helps the model interpret phrasing. If you want contrast, give the verses distinct perspectives or tones that match each singer, and then bring them together in the chorus with shared lyrics or tight echoes. You can also include gentle performance cues in the headers or first line of a section. Phrases like soft and tender, confident lead, or call and response, as long as they're tied directly to the voice labels and section names. Most importantly, always mark the joint section as duet, so the model knows both voices should appear at the same time. When your prompt looks solid, click create and let Suno generate the track. After it finishes, hit play and listen closely. You should hear the first verse led by the first voice, the second verse led by the other voice, and the chorus featuring both together as a proper duet. That's all there is to it. A clear introduction stating it's a duet, consistent voice labels for each section, and a chorus marked as duet to bring the voices together. Enjoy crafting your two-voice performances.